Yo, my people. Yeah, today I'm about to show you a new method of resolving your internet connection. Ever found yourself in a situation where your Wi-Fi doesn't connect, yet on other devices it works very well? This is what you do in case such happens. As you can see, when I open this browser, even when I refresh, the internet doesn't work. Yet on my other devices, everything works very well. The first thing you need is to check your settings. Okay, first of all, it is recommended that you use public proxy configurations. You set your Wi-Fi as public. Mine looks fine. The next thing you'll need is to check your proxy. Go ahead and type here proxy. As you can see, I'm using Windows 11, so it might differ depending on your operating system, but it's the same for Windows 8, 10 and 11. Go ahead and click this part. As you can see here, under manual proxy setup, go click edit and put it off this point and save. Then close your tab. Go ahead and test. And voila, there you go. Internet works fine now. So always check your proxy settings. In most occasions they interfere with your internet connection. Bye, see you next time.